News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Ramya and with me is Abhishek.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Sainik School Kalikiri, National Green Tribunal, Office of National Aviation Security Fee Trust, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Employees State Insurance Corporation, Northern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, and Institute of Secretariat Training and Management. Sainik School Kalikiri invites applications from eligible candidates for the post of bandmaster and craft teacher purely on contractual basis for 1 year. Kindly visit www.kalikirisainikschool.com for qualifications, eligibility and other details. Last date for receiving duly filled in applications is 21st of December 2020, that is Monday.
Now let's talk about National Green Tribunal and the vacancies in it. The National Green Tribunal has been established under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. It has been established for effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forests and other natural resources, including enforcement of any legal right relating to environment and giving relief and compensation for damages to persons and property and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. The tribunal's dedicated jurisdiction in environmental matters shall provide speedy environmental justice and help reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts. The tribunal is mandated to make an endeavor for disposal of applications or appeals finally within 6 months of filing of the same. And now, the vacancies. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change invites applications for filling up of 3 vacant posts of expert members in National Green Tribunal. Qualifications, terms of office, age limit, conditions of service, etc. are available on the Ministry's website www.moef.gov.in. Details of the advertisement, including the application form, can be downloaded from the aforementioned Ministry's website. Last date for receipt of applications in the Ministry's office is 15th of December 2020.
Applications are invited for recruitment or empanelment of 4 finance professionals purely on contract basis for deployment in Office of National Aviation Security Fee Trust, NASFT, a Government of India Trust, New Delhi. Application should be submitted online only. For applying, please visit the website of Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, that is www.becil.com. Go to the career section and then click registration form online. Please read how to apply carefully before proceeding to register and online payment of fee. In case of any doubt or help, please email on the following email IDs. For technical problem faced while applying online, email on khuswinder.singh@becil.com, and for queries other than technical, email at maheshchand@becil.com. Last date for submission of application forms is 15th of December 2020.
Jawaharlal Nehru University invites online applications in the prescribed application form from eligible candidates for appointment to the post of Controller of Examinations. Subject to the provisions of the Act, statutes and ordinances, the Controller of Examinations shall perform the duties in regard to the arrangements for the conduct of examinations and such duties and functions as may be assigned to him by the Executive Council or Vice-Chancellor. The appointment shall be made for a tenure of 5 years, which can be renewed for similar term by the Executive Council of the University. For candidates applying on deputation basis from government or any other organization or institution, the terms and conditions of his or her service shall be governed by the deputation rules of the Government of India. However, the age of retirement would be 62 years and the post does not carry the facility for re-employment. Eligible and interested persons may apply online through the university website www.jnu.ac.in. Applications through any other mode except online will not be accepted. The applicants shall upload the necessary documents within 1 month of the publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the university website.
Employees State Insurance Corporation is looking to induct high-caliber professionals on deputation, including short-term contract, in the following categories of services: 1 post of actuary and 1 post of assistant actuary. Applications should reach the office within 60 days from its publication in Employment News. Applications must be sent in the biodata or CV proforma, which can be downloaded from ESIC's website, that is www.esic.nic.in. Any query regarding the application may be addressed to Shri Bhupendra Kumar, Deputy Director E1 at bhupender.kumar@esic.nic.in.
Applications are invited from eligible candidates belonging to central government for filling up of one vacant post of junior translator at Northern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, Hisar, Haryana, on deputation basis urgently. Complete details about eligibility conditions, including format of application, etc., are available on the website of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmer Welfare website www.agricoop.nic.in and the website of Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institutes www.fmttibudni.gov.in, www.nrfmtti.gov.in, www.srfmtti.dacnet.nic.in or www.nerfmtti.nic.in. Application in the prescribed proforma with complete details should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News.
Ramya, can you tell our listeners about Institute of Secretariat Training and Management before we share the vacancies?
The Institute of Secretariat Training and Management ISTM is an attached office under the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. The mandate of the institute is to impart training to officers of Central Secretariat Service, Central Secretariat Stenographer Service and officers of other organized or subsidiary services functioning in the Central Secretariat. Central Secretariat Service CSS officers form the backbone of the central government ministries and departments and normally hold various positions up to the level of joint secretaries. The key responsibilities of the CSS officers include policy formation, execution, monitoring and review. The institute also provides training support to the state governments, union territory administrations, central public sector enterprises, central autonomous bodies and other organizations in specialized and general areas. The institute is entrusted with the task of providing orientation training to officers coming on deputation to the central government under the Central Staffing Scheme as Deputy Secretary and Director. ISTM is the nodal institute for capacity building of central government officers for implementation of Right to Information Act 2005. ISTM is the lead institute in the areas of training of trainers and conducts national and international training of trainers courses. Besides, probationers of various organized services like that of the IAS, IES, IFS and ICLS attend the short duration training programs on office management, personnel management and financial management as well as Central Secretariat practices at ISTM. ISTM also conducts Management Development Program for officers of the level of Deputy Secretary and above of the Government of India. The areas covered are financial management, management principles, good governance, knowledge management, behavioral techniques and cabinet note preparation in order to orient them towards effective service delivery in central government.
And now the vacancy. Institute of Secretariat Training and Management invites applications for filling up one post of Assistant Library and Information Officer on deputation basis from among suitable and eligible officers working under central government or state government or union territories or public sector undertakings or autonomous organizations. The period of deputation, including period of deputation in another ex-cadre post held immediately preceding this appointment in the same or some other organization or department of the central government, shall not exceed 3 years. Details of the eligibility conditions for appointment to the vacant post in ISTM and prescribed proforma in which the applications can be sent may be downloaded from the website www.istm.nic.in. Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and is made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.